Alright y'all, what's going on? So, I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of DIY tip that will help y'all clean out y'all motherfucking grout, you feel me? So, I know y'all grout is grimy as shit, like my shit is. My shit grimy as fuck, I ain't even gonna lie to you. But, you know what I'm saying, like, I can't have no grimy ass grout, cause I ain't no grime. You feel me? Anyway, so I'm gonna show y'all a little bit before and after. I'm gonna give y'all some cool tips on what the fuck I was using to get the grime out. Show y'all some before and after, and hopefully, you know, it works for y'all too. So check this out. All right, so this is before. This is you know, my kitchen. I actually kind of got started with some shit already, so I just want y'all to kind of look at this right here. This is the before. What I did was I soaked it, right? I soaked it for about 5 minutes using some cheap grout, towel grout cleaner. This little awesome bullshit right here. It's not the best. I prefer y'all probably get something better, but you know, it's just a beginning step, all right? Secondly, what I did was I used some good old Clorox toilet bowl cleaner, and I set that on there. All I simply did, and I'll show y'all real quick. Alright, so basically all you want to do is you want to take it and just apply it like so. Sorry I missed the line there because I was trying to fucking focus on y'all. Alright, so same shit. You want to do this, apply it. You want to let it sit for about 10 minutes. You really got to get up in there. You scrub it not just one way, but you got to hit that shit the other way too. That's really going to allow you to get up in there and get that. From there, what you want to do is let it sit for about 10 odd minutes. Let it bake on there for a minute, because that grime has been baking in that boy for a good minute. Afterwards, what you want to do is take some
baking soda. I got baking soda. Baking soda. I got baking soda.
That's
whip it through
the least of your concerns. Just you want baking soda. All the shit works the same. You're not cooking with it. Then what you want to do is take some good old cleaning vinegar or just regular vinegar there. Really doesn't matter. After the Clorox has baked on for about 10 minutes. So after that's on there, what I do is I apply that wet solution, which is like you scrubbing with your mop with the baking soda and a vinegar cider, right? So what I'm using here is a lead. Remember, what you want to try to get any scrubber that you can. And what you want that heavy stuff right there. I don't know, I did some old school shit, took it to my hands and knees, and I did my bathroom. I'll show y'all what that looked like. But the towel grout came clean in the motherfucking there, and it was not as dirty as this, but it was still dirty as shit. Just all right? Mop all over this motherfucker. It looks like shit right now, but rest assured it will not look like shit when I finish. See, your ass is gonna be fucking working. You're gonna bust a sweat. But I don't know, I'm having mixed feelings about being on my hands and knees and scrubbing versus using this motherfucking stick. Cause I still gotta bend over any motherfucking way, except I can't really put a bunch of elbow grease in. But we'll see the results. So, alright guys, so the job is done. Didn't do a ton of scrubbing. I was slightly impatient. I also did not time it. So, although I said you want to use a toilet bowl cleaner for about 10 minutes, I didn't do it. But, doesn't matter. The job still got done. So, let me show y'all the after the job. Alright, so here it is. There you go again. Not the absolute cleanest that you're going to get the grout, but definitely looks miles apart, at least for me, because I'm here. So, and this was that section before. Like I said, I didn't do no heavy scrubbing. If I was on my hands and knees, I'm pretty sure I probably would have got that a whole lot better. So again, here's a recap. You want to add this, some towel cleaner, followed by Clorox bleach. You want to let that sit for about 10 minutes. After it sits for about 10 minutes, what you want to do is scrub it. Scrub into the grout just a little bit to loosen it up. Get that in there. Next, you want to add some baking soda. Mix with some cleaning vinegar. There you have it. So y'all can see the difference. I purposely did not clean that area. So, I know you can't tell, but this is how you can tell. Before, after. Before, after. Can you tell? Now can you see the difference? Night and day, a little hack. Goes a long way. Before, after. And that is how you do your cleaning of the towel grout. Little hack. If you liked it, please like and subscribe for some more awesome stuff like this.